So finally, biggest opportunity for freshers is coming up to 25, even 24, 22 batches eligible. But you have to understand, first go and watch this video because limited time opportunity is this. Go apply for all 5 new hirings. Just I uploaded 58 minutes ago. Please go and watch this video full end. So first biggest opportunity is coming from, see, this is biggest opportunity because this is direct referral opportunity. ServiceNow and AWS role is there. Location is Hyderabad and 23, 24, 25 batches eligible. BE BTech, BSc, MSc, CS, IT, electronics and related branches are eligible. But the main thing, JavaScript, but the main thing is Python, JavaScript, AWS, RESTful API, HTML, CSS, strong communication. Please add this domain in your resume. 3-month training, 3-month internship and full-time employment means you will get to see the training, internship and full-time opportunity. तुम्हें कहीं जाने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. All you will get to see in this company. So group discussion is there and just a minute, I don't know what is this. Person interview is there and last date to apply is 22 April. So apply as soon as possible. Just update your resume because nothing information they are getting from you. Only resume is needed. Means while sending resume, please mention my name, designation and department in the resume. So click in this link, you will get to see only one field like resume is there, but please mention in resume. See, I think you have to mention her name, like here is written, please mention my name, and designation means AWS or ServiceNow, and department. So there is not written department. Department means your BTech, MTech, what degree you completed, you have to mention that, and please mention batch also and apply as soon as possible. This is biggest opportunity. Easily you will get to see the assessment mail because 2 days are left. Last date is 22 April. So please apply as soon as possible. Don't comment here, already comment is off. Just apply as soon as possible, but update your resume क्योंकि about coding, cloud and cutting edge tech like AI agent and automation means you have to add more domains like AI, RESTful API, cloud, any one of cloud like AWS, but please add AWS. Don't mention GP and Azure. Please add AWS. You will get to see the benefit. Just upload your resume, update your resume, then upload your resume, and please don't skip this part. Please take it serious, otherwise you will not get to see the assessment mail because this is mandatory. Only one field is required, that is resume. Submit as soon as possible. Next biggest hiring is coming from Attidin. Attidin is doing biggest hiring, means 2 location is there and 25 batches eligible. This hiring is also absolutely for freshers. Computer science, BE, BTech, IT, electronic are eligible. Pune location is there and Mumbai location is there, but this is preferred, means Pune and Mumbai based candidates only, means this is preferred, not mandatory. You can also apply. Only 75% in 10th 12th graduation students are eligible. So please add this domain in your resume, and in subject line please type fresher and this code and your resume. Please send your resume in this email. See, not many required skills and technical skill is written here, but the role is IT role, so you have to add domain in your resume, like you have to develop and support custom application, means you know about MERN stack, Java full stack, Python full stack, MERN. Any technology you have to add in your resume, whatever you are interested in, because you have to do analyze, code, test. Please add this domain, and please add this also, like enterprise skill is there. So apply as soon as possible before it's too late. Already 1 week ago they posted, but the hiring is running, so please apply as soon as possible. Send your resume in this email. So please send your resume on this email, career@attidin.com. Next, other biggest opportunity is coming from Prolifics. Prolifics is doing biggest hiring like interview coordinator, means I will tell you what is this role, but understand 22, 23, 24 batch out is eligible, means pass out batch is eligible. Full time opportunity is there and there is night shift. Hyderabad location is there, work from office. Just send your resume on this email. The interviewer coordinator, I think you schedule other candidates interview. I don't think so. यही होगा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, और क्या होगा. वेरी इजी वर्क इज दिस. सो प्लीज अप्लाई सून एज पॉसिबल. मे बी यू विल गेट टू सी द इंटरव्यू मेल, और यू कैन easily grab this opportunity because the work is very less and most of the student did not send their resume because of night shift. So you can grab this opportunity easily. So please send your resume on this email. So the last but not the least biggest mass hiring is coming from EY. EY is doing biggest hiring. Analyst national ASU, बहुत कुछ लिखा है, but you need to understand that only Noida location is there. 0 to 4 year of experience is needed. Graduate, postgraduate is eligible. please add this domain and please read this part, and nothing you can see here. Just apply as soon as possible. Biggest opportunity is this. You can see that maintaining all the records in the system means you have to add in your resume Excel, and this is also very basic level work, just like interview coordinator. So please mention Excel, and you can see that coordinate with verification source and update internal database, calling the candidate to collection information or document. Very low level and very easy work is this. So please take referral, because you can see here you can see the job ID is written here. You can see 2 job IDs there and both are same. So please take referral. This is very easiest work, and you will get to see the easiest interview, and process is also easy because responsibility is easy. But update your resume, otherwise you will not get to see anything, क्योंकि तुम करना कुछ नहीं है. फॉलो अप थ्रू कॉल और ईमेल विथ तुम देख ही सकते हो यार. वेरिफिकेशन वगैरह डॉक्यूमेंट एक्सेल का यूज करना. सो प्लीज फर्स्ट रीड दिस, because this is very easy task written here. You will get to know the quick idea that what you will do in this role. तो ये बहुत easy होने वाला है. Just apply for this hiring. Graduate, post graduate, all graduated, all degrees, all branches are eligible. Basically इसका मतलब यही है. तो अप्लाई करो as soon as possible. Click on apply now button is here and take referral. Otherwise apply manually. So I already told you biggest 4 off-campus drive. So please subscribe our channel and go and watch this video. DigitalOcean and Google Guide House Traveloka 3i Infotech. Google is doing absolutely freshers hiring, so please don't miss this opportunity. Apply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.